Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. GameStop stock rose 1.23% on Friday, and the current price has deviated significantly downward from the 5-day moving average. After the stock fell 12% on Wednesday, bulls tried to fight back against bears and prevent the stock price from falling further. Although the rebound height of the stock price was limited, judging from the trading volume, the energy of the bears seemed to have weakened a lot after the crazy selling, which will give the bulls a chance to breathe. The data showed that a large amount of capital flowed out of the stock on Wednesday, but the optimistic thing is that most of the trading volume on that day was concentrated in the $20 area or below. But the current price has opened up a profit margin of more than 3% from this position, which means that a large amount of capital may also intervene in the stock on Wednesday. After the close of last Friday, the stock generated some transactions at the $20.60 level, but not large. The stock price retreated after rising twice during the session, indicating that the $20.90 level seems to have some resistance, because this level generated some transactions in the morning session on Wednesday. These locked-in capital may form some resistance to the rebound of the stock price, so it is possible that the stock price will pull back briefly next, but the bulls may not let it go too far. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price fell sharply in the morning session of September 1st with a large trading volume, but then the bulls began to fight back and pushed the stock price to rebound at $19.30. In the afternoon session, the bulls kept the stock price at $20, which reflects that a large amount of long funds have intervened in the stock on that day, which is also the driving force for the stock price to rebound later. Although the bears have released most of their energy during the sharp drop in the stock price, they have tried to suppress the rebound of the stock price in the last 2 trading days. The stock retreated after 2 intraday surges on September 13th, but still closed in the green, indicating that the bulls tried to push up the stock price but still encountered some resistance. This situation may cause the bulls to pause the counterattack, consolidate or slightly pull back to release some pressure, thereby accumulating more rebound strength. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the net capital outflow of the stock on September 11th was as high as $42 million, which is consistent with the stock price performance on that day. But then the funds began to flow back to the stock in the next 2 trading days. Although not much, it at least shows that the funds flowing into the stock in the last 2 days are higher than the outflow funds, which is a positive signal, but it does not mean that the stock price will continue to rise. From the perspective of the rebound strength of the stock price, there is still short capital between $20 and $21 trying to block the rebound of the stock price, and the bullish power at this time seems to be still weak. In this case, it is possible for the bulls to pause the counterattack, but they should not allow the stock price to fall below $20. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that there are some positions distributed at the $20 level. Most of these positions were generated on September 11th, the day when the stock price plummeted. This is consistent with the previous analysis. There is long capital involved at this position, so even if the stock price pulls back, it should not fall below this position. The current price is 3% away from this position. I am currently bullish on the stock because I saw a lot of long capital involved when the stock plummeted, but this does not mean that the bottom is solid. Although the energy of the shorts has weakened a lot, it still tries to suppress the stock price rebound, and the bulls may also want to accumulate more rebound power, so it is possible for the stock price to consolidate within a limited range, but after the consolidation, the stock price may still rise. I think it will return to $22 or above. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for GameStop stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.